Scripting for manifestation. Scripting is a powerful manifestation technique that involves writing down your desires and goals in a detailed and affirmative way, as if they have already happened. This method leverages the power of the written word to focus your intentions, align your subconscious mind with your goals, and bring your dreams into reality. Here's a comprehensive guide on scripting, how it works, and how you can use it to manifest your desires. What is scripting? Scripting is the practice of writing a narrative that describes your ideal life or specific goals as if they have already been achieved. This narrative should be written in the present tense, with vivid details and strong emotions to create a clear and compelling vision of your desired outcome. Benefits of scripting. Clarifies intentions. Writing down your goals helps you clarify what you truly want and understand your desires better. Engages emotions. By writing with emotion and detail, you engage your feelings, which is crucial for the manifestation process. Focuses the mind. Scripting helps focus your mind on your goals, making it easier to recognize and act on opportunities that align with your desires. Reprograms the subconscious. Consistent scripting can help reprogram your subconscious mind to believe in your goals and work towards achieving them. How to script for manifestation. Set the scene. Quiet environment. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Materials. Use a dedicated journal or notebook specifically for scripting. Write in the present tense. Act as if. Write your script as if your desires have already been realized. Use present tense language to describe your life or specific goals. Example: instead of writing, "I will be successful," write, "I am successful." Be detailed and specific. Vivid descriptions. Include as many details as possible. Describe the sights, sounds, smells, and emotions associated with your manifested desire. Example: I wake up every morning feeling energized and excited to start my day in my beautiful home by the beach. Engage your emotions. Feel the emotions. Write with emotion and enthusiasm. The more you can feel the emotions of having achieved your goals, the more powerful your scripting will be. Example: I feel so grateful and happy as I walk through my dream home filled with love and laughter. Use positive language. Avoid negativity. Focus on what you want, not what you don't want. Avoid negative words or phrases. Example: instead of "I am no longer struggling," write, "I am thriving and living abundantly." Consistent practice. Daily routine. Make scripting a daily practice. The more consistently you script, the more it reinforces your intentions and aligns your energy with your goals. Morning or night. Many people find it effective to script first thing in the morning or right before bed. Tips for effective scripting. Stay positive and grateful. Express gratitude for the things you are scripting about, as if they have already happened. Gratitude amplifies positive energy and helps attract more of what you desire. Believe in your script. Write with conviction. Believe that what you are scripting is possible and already on its way to you. Visualize while scripting. As you write, visualize the scenes you are describing. See yourself living the life you are scripting about. Read your scripts aloud. Reading your scripts aloud can help reinforce your intentions and make them feel more real. Revisit and update. Periodically revisit your scripts to reinforce your goals and make any necessary updates. Conclusion. Scripting is a powerful manifestation tool that helps you create a clear, detailed vision of your desired outcomes and align your thoughts and emotions with your goals. By writing as if your desires have already been achieved, you can focus your mind, engage your emotions, and reprogram your subconscious to bring your dreams into reality. Incorporate scripting into your daily routine to harness its full potential and manifest the life you desire.